Want to open your Google Drive files right on your Android TV? It's super easy. In this video, I'll show you how to access your Drive photos, videos, and more directly on your TV screen. If your TV runs Android TV OS, this method will work perfectly. So, let's get started. Open Play Store on your TV. Go to Search Bar and search RS File Manager. Install RS File Manager app. Open RS File Manager. Click on Agree. Allow storage permission. Scroll down and find RS File Manager and turn on. Go to Cloud Drive. Click here to add a cloud drive. Select Google Drive. Enter your email address and click Next. Enter your email address password and click Next. Scroll down and click Allow. That's it! Your Google Drive files are now open on your Android TV. Watch, view, or browse, all right from your big screen. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.